Hello, everyone. This is Rukaya Saman, and we are here today with the College Podcast. So, we have Mr. Asif Kothari with us, and he's an A-level business teacher, and we will be discussing subject selection with him today. How does the subject evolve over 2 years, and what do you think students like the most about A-level business?
So A-level the subject for the 2 year evolves a lot. Before preliminary 3, AS जो था वो बहुत आसान था, but A2 जो था वो बहुत मुश्किल था as compared to AS. But in 2020 the syllabus has changed and now the good part is that AS and E are both of the same. Very good. So this is the good part. AS is more of a bookish study and E2 is way more practical. That's how it's.
Okay. And what skills like analytical thinking or problem solving are most important for subject like A-level business side?
I think for this subject, it's difficult to prioritize or rank each of the skills because I guess problem solving skill, analytical skill, the decision making skill, all three are really very important. You have to analyze the different business situations, you have to understand how to solve problems, and you have to understand how to make the right decisions.
So, what advice you have for students who are going to apply as business majors when they go to university?
Advice मेरी तो बच्चों को ये होती है कि आप जो भी select करो, whatever you select, you should actually find what you really want to do in life and then select the right trades. क्योंकि किसी भी डिग्री के आगे इसमें बच्चों को मुझे क्लास में बताता हूँ कि वैल्यू नहीं होती है, ज़्यादा वैल्यू होती है कि आप वो डिग्री सेलेक्ट करें जो एक्चुअली आपकी जो चीज़ ये whatever you are made for, you need to pursue that because you should have fun when you go to university. Whatever you do, you can go for accountancy and finance, you can go for DBI, you go for different BS in economics, but you need to see what would really excite you when you select the course, whatever course. That would help you to probably more enjoy the classes.
So how do you think A-level business helps students in running a business or being entrepreneurial at an early age?
वो इसकी क्योंकि business subject में the topics that are covered in this subject are very very practical and whatever topics I study or I teach in the classroom वही टॉपिक्स मैं भी अप्लाई कर रहा था मुझे के अंदर या किसी भी बिजनेस के अंदर मैं जैसे इफ आई रन let's say we run the user college then you need good human resource for that, you need good marketing for that, good operations for that and that you need the financial skills and this is what the subject teaches. So I also could
it covers all these aspects. Yeah. And what role does technology and digital transformation play in a curriculum like business studies and how should students prepare for this subject?
Over the time, I guess after COVID, the world has evolved a lot, and technology का pace भी बहुत बढ़ गया, development, AI, the metaverse and stuff. So definitely business subject भी बहुत evolve कर रहा है, और मैं समझता हूँ कि student को बहुत अच्छा फायदा है कि अगर वो भी से subject की script में आ जाए, because in the future the world is about it, and they have to understand how to implement and how to use AI for their purpose, how to use the social media marketing side. Let's say if we're talking about economy. This subject definitely incorporates all of that puzzle.
So you just mentioned that all these changes are coming about and technological advancements. So what do you think is the future of A-level business style?
Future बहुत अच्छा है. Future बहुत अच्छा है उसलिए क्योंकि future तो क्या हर सब्जेक्ट का फ्यूचर होता है, ऐसी बात नहीं है, हर सब्जेक्ट का अपना स्कोप होता है. लेकिन फ्यूचर आई थिंक ये है कि इस साल भी जब कोर्स अपडेट हुआ तो examiner is now and like a lot of the recent developments in the world.
That's cool.
The course talks about how the technology in your factory would just help you out. So future I think बहुत अच्छा है. Future में इंसान के पास opportunity, student के पास opportunity बहुत सारी खुल जाती. And whatever field you pursue, what you either pursue art, you either pursue law, you either pursue whatever field you pursue, you have to ultimately form or convert into a business. And that's where the future will come.
Okay, sir. Thank you for being with us today. Hope you had a good diet as well.
I really have.